Hi, welcome to this new video in which I'm going to show you how to build micro-scale Soviet SEL-131. It's a general purpose 3.5 ton 6x6 drive truck made by the Soviet Union, used for numerous kind of tasks. It's a very general purpose, like I said, and yeah, I made it of and in this design you're going to see how to build it with a rocket launching system behind it, pulling it. So the design is by someone called Artem. He's also known on Instagram by the name Micro Tanks, and it's a very young, of a fresh, new, how do you call it, designer. He's very into the micro scale, and he offered me to make a tutorial on this this cube model, and so I did. And also I agreed to do it because he has a good design, but also I think he could use some more support. Just hit this guy up with a follow, and link of course in the description. Another thing that I wanted to show you before we start building this a little thingy is, I don't know if you saw my last video in which I'm showing you the Panzerforce L70 Jagdpanzer, Panzerjäger, how you call it, how you want to call it. Check out that video if you like that one too. But the other thing I would like to tell you is, we all know Brickmania made the Micro Big Battle game, and a lot of people started designing their own micro scale models to use in the game, like me, and many of them allowed me to do tutorials because it's very open community. A lot of people join in, think about this game, how to make it better, how to make it work together and make it more and more interesting. And also Brickmania by Dan Siskind opened up a lot of information for free, allowing me to do all tutorials on everything they ever did. So that's really great. The website microbrickbattle.com, you can actually find rule books free to download. You can find free instructions for some models and several scenarios. But also coming to the scenarios, that's a fun part, because I would love to hear some scenarios you guys could come up with that we can play like a community. So if you think you can make a cool scenario, historical accurate, historical based, something that's spun completely out of your own head, from I think this would be cool, something that is completely ridiculous, I don't care, just send it to me. You can leave it like in the comments of this video, or head over to the Micro Brick Battle website, microbrickbattle.com. There's a forum. You can actually put scenarios right there. That's a really cool place to do. Just mail me or send me a DM on Instagram. Just let me know. I would love to hear your scenarios. Other thing that's going on is some companies like All My Bricks making their own designs, which you can buy for Micro Big Battle. And most designs they sell, but other people don't do, are planes. And yeah, I would like to show you a couple. And one of those is this little micro scale Messerschmitt 109. Yeah, I really love this one. It's made by a designer from All My Bricks, Jan. You don't buy just the instructions for this one, but for a whole pack. I think it's like 4 different designs, so very interesting. And also a lot of planes on that website are from Ryan, Grasshopper Squadron on Instagram. And I think the most beautiful one he did is this Junkers. I absolutely adore this plane. I really like this plane. I never played a game with planes as game objects, but I did use them, game pieces I should say, but I did use them a lot. This one, like almost every single time, as a part of the scenery, because hey, let's be honest, this looks great, doesn't it? Just put it on your map and let your tanks drive around it and attack each other. It will be it's such a cool site to dress up your tabletop with yeah, your map, gaming map with planes models like this one. So check omahabricks.com. The link is already in the description. And the scale is like 120 scale you have to search for, or micro, they call it a battle in bricks scale. So check out the website omahabricks.com. If you are new here, I hope you like this video, and consider leaving a like, leave a comment. I always like to reply to all of those. But of course, the best thing you can do for me is subscribe to my channel. What will happen next is I will show you all the parts needed for this SIL-131. You can pause it, write all the numbers down if you want, or just go through your bin and Lego bins and search for all the parts and be creative with it. After that, you will see a step-by-step tutorial on how to build it. I hope it's easy enough for you. It's not the most complicated model, but if it's difficult, just let me know and maybe I could help or improve my instructions for the next time. And after that, the video is done, and all that's left is you to comment and tell me if you liked it or not. I think I said enough for now. It's time to start building. Here's the parts list, and I see you in the next video. Bye.